Nichts. Nichts. Look, you put your hand up saying that you do know. Okay, but I'm also saying nichts. I can't give you much more of a clue than that. Not quite no.
The man says no.
Not no. Nichts.
Stop.
Okay?
Silence.
No, because that would be danke. If it was no, he is saying something, so therefore it would be in speech marks. Yes.
The man says stop.
Very close. The man says nothing, so nichts, nothing. Nothing, okay?
Do you write that down?
You don't need to write that one down, no. I will tell you when the bits you need to write down, okay? So der Mann sagt nichts, the man says nothing.
Sagen.
So now you've got sagen. Der Mann kann nichts sagen. So now, what do we think that means? Der Mann kann nichts sagen. Yes. Listen to it. Der Mann kann nichts sagen. So it might be spelled differently, can, but it sounds exactly the same as one of our English words.
The man can.
Nichts sagen. Help me out? Yes?
The man has nothing to say.
Not quite. Der Mann kann nichts sagen. You're very close, but you're not quite there. So the man can nichts sagen. Literally, the man can nothing say is how, but in English we'd say the man cannot say anything. So the man can say nothing. Okay? So, tells or says. How would I say that? Tells or says. I should see a lot of hands here. Or I just thought randomly picking on my victims today. Who are today's victims? At the back, please. Yes, you. Is it sagt or sagt? Sagt, thank you. Okay, so it is sagt. What about the man says nothing? The man says nothing. Yes. It's all everything else we need. So the man says nothing. We've just had that says or tells is sagt. So how would you say the man says nothing? Was that nothing? How do you say? Nichts, thank you. Der Mann sagt nichts, okay? So can you see how you can start using that in a sentence? Okay? What is to say or telling or saying? Yes. Sagen, excellent. So what? The man cannot say anything. Der Mann kann nichts. Jack? The man cannot say anything. Yes, you, yeah. Because you're sitting there paying no attention at all. Sagen, excellent. So the full sentence for me, please.
The man can't nothing.
So der Mann kann nichts. Well, there's not an O in there, is there? So it can't be not. Okay, so nichts. Yeah, and then the last one. Pardon? Sagen, yeah. So der Mann kann nichts sagen. So all I'm asking you to do is use those two words. Okay? So now I've got was. Okay? So was is what? Was. Okay, you will have heard us use this a lot. We've said wo ist something, like where is something or somebody. And I said was is that? What is that? So we've got was. And it means what? So, was. Someone practice that one for me? Was. Okay, and what does it mean again? Just remind me? What, thank you. So what do you think the question was denkst du is asking you? Was denkst du? Okay? Now, person playing with your bottle, you shouldn't be. You can tell me now what you think was denkst du means. Because if you were looking at me instead of playing with your bottle, I've just modeled it for you. So was denkst du? Yeah, what do you think? So was denkst du is what do you think? So, how do I say what? I should see a few hands here. How do I say what? Oh, even some unsure ones. I'll take some unsure hands as well. Yes, on the end. Was. It is indeed was. And what was the question? What do you think? How would I say what do you think? What do you think? I should see lots and lots of hands here. What do you think? Come on Jack, I'm going to pick on you again because you were a lot more confident that time. Jake, am I calling you Jack? Sorry, sweetheart, Jake. Was spot on my gun. Was denkst du? I said, was denkst du? Right, now we're going to play a game called Kim's Game. Okay? So, I'm going to show you a whole load of words. Okay? And then, I'm going to show you a whole load of words. But one of them's going to be missing. And you need to tell me which one's missing. Okay? So, just to go through, we've got deflasher. So what's deflasher? Everyone practice it. Deflasher.
Deflasher.
And what is it?
Water.
It's a water bottle. Thank you, because it's like flask. Das Fenster.
Das Fenster.
I know the one is missing.
It is a window. I'll give you, remind me in a second. Somebody reminds me in about 2 minutes. Useless fact, window. Those 2 words, okay? Useless fact and window. Okay, just remind me in a few minutes, because I've got a useless fact for you. Dead tish.
Dead fish.
And what is it? Not the board. The other one, the table. Excellent. Die Tafel.
Die Tafel.
And that's the board, yeah? Das Heft.
Das ist
And what is it? Yeah, the exercise bit, the ones we still don't have. I am trying to find them, by the way. And then the dead tag is the day. Excellent. So you've got all of those in your head, yeah? Looking at the boards? Paying attention? Yes? Right. Which one's missing? Which one's missing? No shouting, remember, hands up for me, please. Hands up for me, please. Lady in the back. It is indeed der Tisch. Okay, now just out of interest, why is it blue? Thinking stereotyping here is very stereotyping. Yes, whose name I don't know on the end, I'm afraid. Because it's masculine, excellent. You find sometimes in languages we really enforce stereotypes because it's helpful for us to learn, and then we unenforce stereotypes and go against them when we learn about like culture and stuff. So, the same set of words. What's missing now? What is missing now? Okay, let's put your paper down because you're not here to sit and play your paper in my classroom. Okay, so what is missing now? I'm going to say Callum. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Is it exercise book?
Well, it is, but that's not the missing word. What's the missing word? Das Heft. Excellent. Can we try and remember to say the das part of it as well? Because you are correct with Heft, but I want to hear the das Heft part of it, okay? So well done. So das Heft was my missing word. And why is it green? Why is it green? Yes. Not feminine. Because it's not masculine. Masculine would be blue. Why is it green? It's not plural. It's not both. It's neither. It's neutral. It's not masculine or feminine. It's neutral. It's a neuter word, and that's why it's green. Okay? So neuters are. Well, this one is green. Right, same set of words.